What if I told you that the advice you are being given to survive the economy is actually a trap? Even everywhere you look, financial gurus tells you you must start a side hustle. Your weekends and your remaining energy to drive a car, manage an online shop, or take a second job. But let's be radically honest. You are already working 40, 50, 60 hours a week. You are already exhausted. The absolute last thing you need is a second job that steals more time away from your family, your kids, and your peace of mind. A traditional side hustle does not buy you freedom. It just creates another second cage. Today we are going to look at the cold hard math of why the side hustle is dead, why trading time for money will never make you financially secure, and how you can shift your focus to building a true compliant financial asset that works for you. Welcome to Freedom Friday, everyone. If you are joining me live, drop a live in the comments right now. And if you're watching the replay, type in replay so that I can come back later and connect with you. Today, we need to have an honest, very urgent conversation about a massive lie that is being sold to millions of hardworking people all over the world. Now, it's a fact that everywhere you go online, everybody, all the financial gurus and social media influencers are telling you exactly the same thing. If you are struggling to pay your bills, if you feel the economic squeeze, you just need to start a side hustle. They tell you to sign up or to drive an Uber or to start a freelance gig or to pick a second job in the evenings. They paint this beautiful picture of hustle culture. But let's get radically honest for a moment. You are already exhausted, not so? You are putting in that 40, 50, 60 hours a week into your primary job or career. The absolute last thing that you really want is another job. Because let's call a spade a spade. A traditional side hustle is not a path to freedom. If you're doing more than one thing, more than one side hustle, it means that none of them are bringing you the income you want. So it's time to rethink what you are doing. Side hustle is just a second job with a trendier name. It's a second cage. Today I want to show you why the traditional side hustle is officially dead and why trying to solve systemic financial squeeze by simply trading more of your precious hours for pennies is a mathematical trap. More importantly, we are going to talk about the only real alternative, shifting your focus from building a side hustle to building a permanent financial asset. Let's break down the mechanics of why the side hustle trap leaves people feeling so defeated. When you take on a side hustle, you are participating in what economists call linear income. Linear income is a direct one-to-one trade. You show up for 1 hour, you do a task, and you get paid once that specific hour. No more, just what you've done. If you drive someone across town, you get paid for that trip. If you design a logo for someone, you get paid for that logo. But what happens the very next day? If you don't drive, if you don't design, if you don't type, the money completely stops. You are effectively trapped on a financial hamster wheel. The moment you take a break, get sick, or simply want to spend a quiet weekend with your family, your income drops to zero. And let's look at the hidden costs that the internet gurus never mention. Time poverty, first of all. You are trading away the hours that should belong to your spouse, your children, your grandchildren, or your own health and your peace of mind. Next, the energy drain. Trying to perform at your job or your day job while running a frantic secondary business at night leads to straight you to burnout. Your quality of life plummets. Number 3, no scalability. You only have 24 hours in a day. Even if you never slept, your income potential with a side hustle is permanently capped by the clock. You cannot work your way out of an economic squeeze by just adding more hours to your workday. The math simply does not add up in the long run. We need to move from defense to offense. But I know exactly how it feels like to face that terrifying moment when the traditional corporate promise shatters right in front of you. Back in 1997, I was retrenched from my corporate position. Just 1 year later, in 1998, my husband Frikkie was also retrenched from his corporate job. In a flash, the stability we had spent decades counting on, it just disappeared. We did not realize the enormous effect it would have on our future. But we could do nothing about it. It was totally out of our hands. We were forced to look at the reality without the comfort of a corporate illusion. We realized very quickly that relying on a single corporate paycheck or trying to scramble for piecemeal freelance work was the absolute riskiest financial strategy a person can choose. We didn't need extra money to patch up a single month's bills. We needed predictability. We needed control over our digital and financial ecosystem. We needed an income stream that could grow independently of our physical presence every single second. We had to stop playing defense. Cutting back on groceries or trying to clip coupons cannot make the skyrocketing costs of living we are seeing today, or cannot match it. You cannot budget your way out of a systemic economic crisis. You have to go on the offense. And going on the offense means you building an asset that you owns entirely. Now people will ask me, what is a financial asset? Most people think it's owning a building or something like that. But there's other ways that you can build an asset. It's not always spending millions to buy a property and then hire it out. So what is the alternative to a side hustle? It is asset-based income. An asset is a system or a structure that you can build once, but it continues to pay you month after month, year after year, long after the initial work is completed. Think of it like planting a tree. A side hustle is like going out into the forest every single day to pick up fallen sticks to burn for warmth. The day you don't go out, you freeze. An asset is like planting a fruit tree in your backyard. It takes intention to plant it, and it takes time to water it. But eventually, that tree grows deep roots and bears fruit season after season without you having to replant it every single morning. When you focus on an asset, your income becomes recurring. It comes in every month. Now, I don't believe in overnight internet hype, fake lifestyle advertisements, or high-pressure sales tactics. I believe in radical honesty and grounded, transparent systems. Following out the retrenchments, I set out to find a system that actually worked. And in February 2016, I leaned completely into a structured path designed specifically to build long-term asset. I want you to hear this track record clearly. Of this very month, that asset has generated a recurring monthly income for 124 consecutive months in a row. How many side hustles can tell you that they are paying you 124 months in a row? Think about the peace of mind that comes with that word, consecutive. Through economic ups and downs, through changes in the world, that asset kept on producing. And the best part, it didn't require thousands of rands in startup capital or business degree. I started with the Dew Point system with a feature that it features a simple, accessible 329 monthly entry point. It is real, ethical, the system where you invest a small amount of resources and focus into building your own asset structure instead of spending your life building someone else's corporate empire. I truly love it. I love it. For the first time in my life, I am in control of my income. I do not work for somebody. I do not work for the company. I do not sell products, and I love it. Now, if you are sitting here today thinking, Lynette, this sounds incredible, but I have no idea how to transition from a job mindset into an asset mindset, I have some amazing news for you. You do not have to guess the steps, and you definitely don't have to navigate this alone. To mark this milestone and to help as many people as possible who are drowning in their current economic climate, I have spent the last few weeks putting the final touches on my brand new comprehensive digital guide called the Asset-Based Business Blueprint. Now you can also call it the 3 steps to building a recurring monthly income, because that's what it is. This 14-page guide is completely free, and it lays out the exact step-by-step mathematical blueprint to stop trading your life for pennies and start building a real recurring monthly income asset. No fluff, no hype, just practical, radical honesty. Here's how you can get your copy right now. If you are watching on this Facebook or YouTube, you download the video description right now. I have placed the direct download link right here so that you can click it and read it immediately. Alternatively, just drop the word asset in my comments below this video. My system will automatically pick that up, and I will make sure that the PDF link is sent straight to your inbox on WhatsApp. So, letting traditional side hustles steal your remaining free time for temporary relief. Excuse me. Let's start building something permanent. That gives you your life, your time, and your freedom back. Thank you so much for spending your Friday afternoon with me. Download the blueprint, read through the steps, and let's change the math of your financial future together. Have a wonderful, blessed week, everyone, and I will see you right here next week for another Freedom Friday. Bye for now.